Aren't you tired of getting ads on everything you do on your phone? Well, it's time to stop that, and I'm gonna show you how. And we're gonna start right now. Welcome, my name is Claudio Varela and welcome to PHONELIFE TV. This is episode number 5 of the series Make It Simple. And today I'm gonna bring you an app called Stopad. It's time to stop all those advertisements on your phone. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and on a notification so you can get more videos like this in the future. You can check the rest of the links as well on the description below. And now, let's see how this app works. Stopad is the most effective ad blocker for Android. The app works across all major browsers and applications. It is a simple and lightweight tool that supports both mobile and Wi-Fi networks. Now, you can stop having pop-ups, banner ads, auto-start audio and video ads and in-apps as well. This will make your life much easier with your Android phone. You can now play your own games or watch your favorite apps without getting interrupted. Since I have the Stopad deactivated, I will go now into my browser and I will go to the website kissanime.ru and you can see the advertisements from the banners on the website or when I click on a link will give me extra pop-up. But in case I have Stopad activated, when I go into my browser and I go to the kissanime.ru, you can see now there is no pop-up banners, or when I click, won't open any windows with advertisements. Same thing happens if I use Don't Touch My Phone. When I open it, with the Stopad activated, you don't see any banners on the bottom. Now if I deactivate the Stopad and I go back to the Don't Touch My Phone, in the bottom will pop up advertisement again. With this, it's now time to have an easy and faster navigation without ads. Time to use Stopad and it's free. To install this app, just go to your browser, type stopad.io and then just press download now. Since this file is an APK, to install you need to activate the unknown sources. Don't worry, this app is totally secure. The result of using this app for more than a week is that I blocked near 20,000 ads, I saved 345 megabytes on my traffic, and 2 days of my time were saved. Also, if you have any questions or comments about this video, please leave them down below and I will help if I can. And I have a question for you. What is the most annoying thing that you have on your phone? And if I can help you sorting out that, I will do it for you. Don't forget to give a like and share this video with your friends and family so they can stop the ads as well on their phones. Thank you so much for watching, thank you for your support as well, and don't forget, see you soon.